Hey yo, it's Chris O. How you doing, everyone? It's a bloody good day. I've still got a sore back, but hey, it'll come right. I'm just doing these architraves. The owner supplied them because what I do, people, is little things, and I don't charge them, you know. Like I said to this this owner, get us a couple of architraves because I like a little bit of meat, okay? Most houses are 10mm architrave. I like the 18. Then my tile can go into the architrave. I've still got some meat left to silicon and it's all lovely, beautiful. I said to him, you supply them, I'll pop them up. I just need to cut a little bit off. I'm a bit long, but no biggie. So yeah, long story short, give a little, you know. You don't have to be charging all the time. No, young fellas, I'm not using a nail gun. I've got one at home. It's on a compressor, and by the time I set it up, it's quicker to... Is that right? Yep. It's quicker just to use a few brads. Voila! But if you want to go out and buy a $800 or $900 look good gun, young fellas, well, yeah, and then do an architrave one a month, that's cool. Is that right? Oh yeah, beautiful. So he's a couple of lengths short, so I'll pick him up from the hardware in the morning on my way. He wanted to paint them before I tile. It'll still work out. Hold me back. Don't worry, I'll come right. I've always been good with my knees and back. But I just strained my at my lower back. I know what it was too. It was the job I did with the 750 by 750 floor tiles. So stick to bathrooms, Chriso, you old fart. Young fellas. Young fellas can do the floors. But boring anyway. But it was a referral, the floor I did, and I made good money. You always make good money out of referrals, but nah, stick to bathrooms. I'm too old for, that's for young fellas to do floors. I've done my fair share of floors and pools and all shit like that out in the hot sun. Give me a bathroom. Ow! See you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Help it grow. Everything I know, I'll teach you. See ya.